Here is how you can resize photo for iPhone wallpaper. Let me show you how it works, and if you're new here, subscribe and we can get started. So of course, you can go ahead and go to your Photos app, right? And let's say I have this picture which I want to show as my wallpaper. So at first there is this like built-in method which sometimes works, but many times it doesn't. So I'm going to cover everything. But if we start with the built-in method, you open up the Photos app, click on the more options. So you can click on a share and at the bottom, and you can use it as wallpaper. But of course you can see that it gets zoomed in very much, right? I cannot see the image right there. I can kind of like decide which part is going to be shown, but it's all zoomed in, right? And I cannot see the whole thing. And if you want to show the actual full image, this time it's not going to work with the built-in method. That's why I'm going to link you to an app below in the description. It's going to be a freely available app, and it's this one right here, which is called the Photo Wallpaper. As I said, you'll be able to go to that app very quickly by clicking the link below, but you can open up this app and click on Create a Wallpaper, right? So you can choose it like this, and let's say that I'm going to pick the exact same photo. You can see that this time it gives me the same option of zooming in it fully as I've had with the built-in method, but I can as well decide that I want to keep it like this, right? And make sure that it just fits fully, even though there are black bars around it, but I don't care, right? I just want the whole image to be visible, right? And I can see what it would look like, for example, on the lock screen or home screen, right? So that's how I can kind of like create it to make sure it looks nice in the way that I would want. So let's say that I'm happy about it, like I'm gonna just make it look like this. Now I can hit it done and then click on save. Now you can see that this photo is now part of my gallery like that. It contains the black parts of the image too, but I'm gonna click on share this time and use it as a wallpaper. And you can see that once it loads up, I have the ability to kind of like fully make it show, right? So there isn't the problem anymore that the picture is not visible anymore. So yeah, that's how you can choose and access resize photos for your wallpaper. I hope that I was able to guide you through it. And if you like this type of videos, subscribe for more. I just try to be as helpful as I can be. But for now, that's going to be about it. And I'll talk to you later in the future uploads.